Japanese maples. Jewels of the garden. Japanese maples are true stars of the garden. They offer a captivating blend of elegance and vibrant color. These trees are renowned for their delicate foliage, which transforms through the seasons. From spring's tender greens to autumn's fiery reds and oranges, Japanese maples provide year-round interest. They are surprisingly versatile. They thrive in a variety of climates. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a small courtyard, there's a Japanese maple to suit your space. Their size ranges from dwarf varieties, perfect for containers, to larger specimens that can become the focal point of your garden. Their beauty lies in their intricate details. Their leaves, shaped like outstretched hands, dance in the breeze. The bark, often smooth and colorful, adds another layer of visual appeal. Japanese maples truly are jewels, adding a touch of magic to any garden. They are relatively low maintenance, making them a rewarding choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. With the right care, these living masterpieces will grace your garden for years to come, providing shade, beauty, and a sense of tranquility. A colorful palette. Exploring popular varieties. Choosing the right Japanese maple can be an exciting endeavor. There's a wide array of cultivars, each with its unique charm. Let's explore some popular choices to inspire your selection. The Bloodgood variety is a classic favorite. It boasts deep crimson leaves that retain their vibrant color throughout the summer. This variety is known for its strong growth and tolerance to heat and humidity. For a more delicate look, consider the Sangokaku, also known as the coral bark maple. This variety showcases bright green leaves that transition to golden yellow in autumn. Its bark, a striking coral red, provides winter interest. If you're short on space, the Shana maple is an excellent choice. This dwarf variety, reaching only 5 feet tall, offers a compact form with fiery red foliage. It's perfect for containers or small gardens. Another popular option is the Emperor Eye. This upright variety features deeply lobed purple-red leaves that hold their color well. It's a stunning addition to any landscape. These are just a few examples of the many beautiful Japanese maple varieties available. When selecting your tree, consider your garden's size, light conditions, and your desired color palette. Finding the perfect spot, light, soil, and space. Choosing the right location is crucial for your Japanese maple's health and happiness. These trees thrive in well-drained soil and prefer a spot with some shade, especially during the hottest part of the day. Morning sun and afternoon shade are ideal, as this prevents the leaves from scorching in intense heat. However, some varieties, like the Bloodgood, can tolerate more sun. When in doubt, it's always best to err on the side of more shade. Soil drainage is paramount. Japanese maples don't like wet feet. Ensure your chosen location doesn't have standing water after rainfall. Amend heavy clay soil with organic matter, like compost or leaf mold, to improve drainage. Consider the mature size of your chosen variety. While some maples remain compact, others can grow quite large. Provide ample space for your tree to flourish without overcrowding. Remember, a happy tree is a healthy tree. Planting your maple, a step-by-step guide. Planting your Japanese maple correctly sets the stage for its future growth and vigor. Follow these simple steps to ensure a successful planting. Step 1. Timing is key. The best time to plant is in spring or autumn, when the weather is cool and the ground is moist. This allows the tree to establish its roots before facing extreme temperatures. Step 2. Digging the hole. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. This allows the roots to spread out easily. Step 3. Prepare the soil. If your soil is heavy clay, amend it with compost or leaf mold to improve drainage. If it's sandy, add some organic matter to improve moisture retention. Step 4. Planting. Gently remove the tree from its container and loosen any circling roots. Position the tree in the center of the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Step 5. Backfill and water. Backfill the hole with the amended soil, gently firming it around the roots. Water thoroughly to settle the soil and eliminate air pockets. Step 6. Mulching. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch, like bark chippings or shredded leaves, around the base of the tree, keeping it a few inches away from the trunk. This helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Proper watering and feeding are essential for your Japanese maple's health and vitality. Establish a consistent watering routine, especially during the first few years after planting. Young trees require more frequent watering than established ones. Water deeply, ensuring the entire root zone is moistened. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings to prevent root rot. Monitor the soil moisture regularly. During hot, dry periods, you may need to water more frequently. You can use a simple finger test to check the moisture level. If the top inch of soil feels dry, it's time to water. Fertilize your Japanese maple in spring with a slow-release, balanced fertilizer. Avoid fertilizing in late summer or fall, as this can encourage new growth that may not harden off before winter. Mulching around the tree helps retain moisture and provides nutrients as it decomposes. Replenish the mulch layer annually to maintain its benefits. The art of pruning, shaping, and maintaining your maple. Pruning your Japanese maple is not always necessary, especially if you prefer a natural shape. However, selective pruning can enhance its beauty, improve air circulation, and remove any dead or diseased branches. The best time to prune is during the dormant season, from late autumn to early spring, when the tree is not actively growing. This minimizes stress and allows the wounds to heal quickly. Always use sharp, clean pruning tools to prevent the spread of diseases. Start by removing any dead, damaged, or diseased branches. Then focus on maintaining the tree's natural shape, removing any crossing or inward growing branches. Avoid excessive pruning, as this can weaken the tree. If you're unsure about how to prune your Japanese maple, it's best to consult with a certified arborist. Keeping pests and diseases at bay. Japanese maples are generally pest and disease resistant. However, like all plants, they can be susceptible to certain issues. Regular monitoring and early detection are key to preventing serious problems. Common pests include aphids, scale insects, and Japanese beetles. Aphids can be controlled with a strong jet of water or insecticidal soap. Scale insects can be treated with horticultural oil. Hand-pick Japanese beetles and drop them into a bucket of soapy water. Potential diseases include leaf spot, powdery mildew, and root rot. Ensure good air circulation by proper spacing and pruning to prevent fungal diseases. Treat fungal infections with an appropriate fungicide. Root rot, often caused by poorly drained soil, can be prevented by planting your maple in well-drained soil and avoiding overwatering. If you encounter persistent or severe pest or disease issues, consult with your local nursery or a certified arborist for expert advice and treatment options. Seasonal care, a year-round guide. Each season brings its own set of considerations for caring for your Japanese maple. Here's a seasonal guide to keep your tree thriving year-round. Spring. Fertilize your maple with a slow-release, balanced fertilizer. Apply a fresh layer of mulch around the base of the tree, keeping it a few inches away from the trunk. Monitor for pests and diseases. Summer. Water deeply and regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. Check the soil moisture frequently and adjust your watering schedule as needed. Protect your tree from scorching sun if necessary. Autumn. Rake up fallen leaves to prevent fungal diseases. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the tree after the ground has frozen to protect the roots from winter temperature fluctuations. Winter. Protect your maple from heavy snow and ice, which can damage branches. Wrap the trunk with burlap or a tree guard to prevent sun scald and frost cracks, especially on young trees. The rewards of growing Japanese maples. Adding a Japanese maple to your garden brings a wealth of rewards. These stunning trees offer year-round interest, transforming from spring's tender greens to autumn's fiery hues. Their delicate foliage, intricate branching patterns, and often colorful bark provide a captivating display. Whether you have a spacious garden or a small courtyard, there's a Japanese maple variety to suit your space. These trees are relatively low maintenance, requiring minimal pruning and pest control. With proper care, they can thrive for decades, becoming a cherished part of your landscape. Japanese maples create a sense of tranquility and beauty, offering a place of peace and reflection in your outdoor space. Their presence enhances the overall aesthetic of your garden, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. For more gardening tips and advice on choosing, planting, and caring for Japanese maples, visit your local nursery or consult with a certified arborist. Happy gardening!